Hi, today I'll show you how to paint shoes. First thing you need are some canvas shoes, and second thing are some paints. I choose fabric paint specially made for painting rough surface, but you can also use casual acrylic paints, but I read that they can crush after some time and they're not really resistant. Another thing about the paint is that the white paint is really fast gone, so I recommend you to buy an additional bottle of white paint. I decided to paint my shoes in the style of Van Gogh painting. It's called a plain near overs. It's not a really popular painting, but I really liked it. Okay, firstly I remove shoelaces and then I paint the whole surface in the background color. Mine is blue. It really is the after process because the fabric is very absorbent initially. After I painted the whole shoes, I set them for 24 hours to dry out, as the producer said. And then it was said that I should iron it on the other side, but it's kinda hard to do this with shoes, so I used the hair dryer to do this, and it went really good. after I used the hair dryer, I tested it with water and it hasn't gone. So I'm really happy how it turned out, and I hope that the colors won't disappear with time. Thank you for watching. It was my first video ever on YouTube, so I hope it wasn't that bad. If you have any tips for me, or what can I improve, or what you want to see on my channel, feel free to write it in the comments. Yeah, thank you!